Okay, welcome back to another video. Since I used this stand this morning twice, I'm having a bit of trouble getting the right angle, but this is good enough. You can actually see the cars when they come into the town a little bit, so it's an improvement. Here we go with the raced car tournament. How exciting! First up we have the Gruppo X24. He will be going up against Exotic. Oh, nice matchup. Exotic takes the lead around the turn. It's a quick race. Oh, wow. We have never seen that before. Exotic had the lead. He lost control around him. So down this way. Gruppo was soaring down the track and he pips him at the post. That was the best race ever on this track. Ooh, some cars in the way. Wow, amazing driving by Gruppo X24. Next up we have a fan favourite, Hot Wheels Warp Speeder, going up against Monte Racer. Oh, Warp Speeder gets loose. Monte Racer wrecks around the turn. And Warp Speeder overtakes him just before the last stretch. Not sure what happened, but Monte Racer wrecked. Drifter versus Track Ripper. Track Ripper in the lead, Drifter wrecked, and Track Ripper will take the win. First time the lower seeded won. Road Rocket versus High Voltage. You should be scared of that car, it's got high voltage. Oh, Road Rocket goes off track, and wow, we're going to have to go, let's see. It looks like Road Rocket has gone slightly further, so he will hold on to the win. Bulletproof versus Speed Racer. Speed Racer in the lead and Bulletproof trying to make a shortcut, but sorry buddy, there are no shortcuts. Speed Racer advances. Next up we've got the world's fastest Rip Rod versus Baseline. Baseline takes the lead ahead of Rip Rod as Rip Rod wrecks. And Baseline will take the win. They really played the right note in that race. Mad Manga taking on Hot Wheels Formula Solar. Will Mad Manga be able to juggle his way to a victory? Or will Formula Solar overtake? Formula Solar goes off the track as Mad Manga steals the win. And our final matchup of round one, Time Tracker versus What 42. What was that lawnmower thing? Oh, did I mention we had a power cut? Oh, once again a close race to the line, but What 42 could not find a way around Time Tracker. Time Tracker advances. Gruppo X24 versus Speed Racer. Gruppo X takes the lead and he wrecks as Speed Racer advances on to the next round. Wow. Hot Wheels Warp Speeder versus Baseline. I think Baseline's the faster car. Oh, Baseline wrecks at the end as the Warp Speeder comes out on top. Track Ripper versus Mad Manga. Oh, they're off. Mad Manga wrecks. And looks like Track Ripper will have to have taken that one. I don't even see him. Has he gone in the pile of cars? Oh, there he is. Here we go. Road Rocket versus Time Tracker. Time Tracker in the lead. He blocks traffic as Road Rocket wrecks. And then Time Tracker gets stuck. Road Rocket not being able to catch up. Our semi-finals. Speed Racer versus Track Ripper. This is already decided. Speed Racer takes the lead, but wow, I'm wrong. Track Ripper overtakes him. And Track Ripper will just barely take that win. the finals. Warp Speeder versus Time Tracker. Time Tracker keeping track of Warp Speeder, but he goes off track at the start. And Warp Speeder takes the win. Out of the gates, Time Tracker gets bumped up with an early lead, but then goes off the track. Tough break, he would have won that. Track Ripper versus Warp Speeder. Warp Speeder takes the lead, and it's a major wreck, but Warp Speeder on his roof wins it. We've got one more tournament left. You'll never guess who's racing. Anyway, see you on that video.